friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful crochet cutting Tiebacks designs model. Let's start. Crochet cutting tieback designs means decorative contain holders that are hand crocheted using yarn or thread. They are used to hold contains neatly to the side while also adding beauty and a handmade touch to a room. Holdbacks crochet contain Tiebacks special handcrafted look, made with crochet stitches, giving a soft, artistic feel. Functional plus decorative keeps contains open while acting like decor. For customizable, you can choose colors, patterns, and length. Eco-friendly option, often made from cotton or natural yarns. Common crochet tieback designs, flower motifs like roses, daisies, or layered floral patterns. Leaf and vine style, perfect for cottages or nature-inspired rooms. Rope or bride style, simple, elegant, and strong. Vintage lace patterns, great for classic or vintage interiors. Button or loop tiebacks, easy to use and charming. For they are commonly used, living rooms, cottage-style homes, vintage or cottage-style decor, children's rooms, soft and safe decoration. Why people love crochet cutting tiebacks? Adds warmth and personality to windows. Matches handmade cottage, vintage, or farmhouse decor. Budget-friendly DIY decor idea. Great for gifting or small home decor business. Here are more useful and creative tips for crochet cutting tieback designs, especially helpful for home decor lovers. First, design and style tips. Use neutral shades like cream, beige, soft gray for vintage or cottage decor. Use pastel colors. Work beautifully in small rooms and children's spaces. Mix two yarn colors for a textured handcrafted look. Add tiny beads or wooden buttons for rustic charm. Keep it simple and safe. Try matching tiebacks with cushions or table genre colors for harmony. Yarn and material tips. Choose cotton yarn for strength and durability. Avoid very stretchy yarns. Frame yarn keeps contains in place better. Thin thread gives a delicate lace look. Thick yarn creates a cozy feel. Wash your before use if you want a soft, relaxed finish. Pattern and shape tips. Keep patterns simple for daily use, decorative for special rooms. Circular or oval motifs hold contains more evenly. Adjustable loops designs with different contain thickness. Use reinforced edged so the tieback doesn't lose shape over time. Practical use tips. Test the tieback weight it contains before finalizing the design. Make tieback slightly longer for heavy contains. Adjust with hooks, loops, or wooden rings for easy use. Make pairs for a balanced, polished window look. DIY and creative tips. Crochet matching balances or small motifs for a complete window set. Reuse leftover yarn for eco-friendly designs. Add tassels or rings for a soft decorative touch. Handmade labels add value if you plan to sell them. design tips. Use layered crochet motifs to add depth without making tiebacks bulky. Combine solid spaces plus lace sections for strength and elegance together. Spiral or twisted crochet designs look beautiful or plain contains slightly chopped ends. Make tiebacks sit neatly on the contain folds. Symmetry matters. Make both tiebacks exactly the same size. Finishing and durability tips. Lock your tiebacks after finishing to keep shape clean and professional. Secure ends tightly and tidy your scales neatly for a polished look. Use reinforced stitches near loops or buttons where tension is high. Avoid over-decorating. Simple design lasts longer and look timeless. Room-specific styling tips. For cottage or vintage homes, use soft floral or lace designs. For modern spaces, use minimalist robe-style tiebacks in solid colors. For farmhouse decor, natural cotton with wooden rings work best. For a small window, slim tiebacks keep the space looking light. Seasonal and theme ideas. Create flower tiebacks for spring, leaf designs for autumn. White or cream lace tiebacks suit summer decor beautifully. Neutral earthy tones work year-round and match most curtains. Festive motifs can be made removable for special occasions. Selling and branding tips. Offer custom color options to buyers. Sell as a matching pair with care instructions. Use clean, natural background for product photos. Handmade packaging increases perceived value. Mistakes to avoid: making tiebacks too short or too tight. Using fuzzy yarn that collects dust easily. Ignoring curtains weight when choosing yarn thickness. Skipping dusting before regular use. Hot makes crochet contain tiebacks special, handcraftedly, made with crochet stitches, giving a soft artistic feel. Functional plus decorative, keeps contain open while acting like decor. For customizable, you can choose colors, patterns, and length. For eco-friendly options, often made from cotton or natural yarns. I think today's designs will help you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!